in one of the prestigious condos here in BGC. And look at this one. Oh, this is the beautiful living room there, and that overlooks the Makati and the Makati Golf. And this is the dining area, a 6-seater dining area. And this has a glass all over. And wow, this is nice. I have a new cameraman. Okay, and this one is the nice kitchen. Kitchen has an ample space. Yeah, wherein you could cook. There is a range hood. There is a induction cooker, and all the uh, cabinets are in easy to open, like this one, and easy to close. There you go. It closes on its own. And now we'll go to the new, or the bedroom, the master's bedroom here. Oh, look at this one. This is very nice. See, the bedroom is very cozy. There you go. And it's very, very cozy. See, you could, nice bed, king size bed. Yeah, and also this overlooks the beautiful Makati Golf. Okay, and here, I really love this camera. And here's the walk-in closet. There you go. And now, let's go to the second room. By the way, this is a 2-bedroom of 91 square meters. Yan. Okay. So now here I go. Here is the beautiful second bedroom. It's so cozy also. Let's put on the lights. There, oh, much better. See? The bed is queen size bed and ample cabinets as well. See? Cabinets are all there. There. And also there. Okay. So, what could you ask for? This is a very nice, cozy 2-bedroom for rent here in BGC. Bye!